So welcome back to the channel guys, OJ Marketing, and in today's video I'm going to be walking you through yet another amazing strategy to leverage to make a lot of money online with CPA marketing. And walk with me as we dive right into this in a step-by-step manner. So the first step which you want to get done is to get an account created for a CPA marketing platform right now. You may want to utilize platforms like CPA Lead, Max Bounty, OG Ads, Offer Vault, and any other CPA marketing platform of your choice. I'm going to be utilizing CPA Grip right here. And to register for this platform is not quite difficult. You just need to click on the register option and fill out the form which will be shown and get your account created. Once your account has been created, go on to log into your account. So right now guys, once you're logged into your account, you want to come onto the offers section of which you can actually get some cool and amazing offers to promote. And to get offers, you want to just simply navigate to this offer tools option, select the my offers option right here, and you can actually filter your offer to any country or demographic of your choice. Once you do that guys, you'll be able to see some cool offers available to any country right there to which you actually do select. And you want to make sure you select kind of like a sweepstake offer. Now if you select a sweepstake offer such as this right now, we actually have details about the offer that is for people in the United States to utilize an Android device to submit their email address or zip code while going through a simple survey using this my unique affiliate link. And I'm just going to go on to earning $1.02 for every successful completion of this offer, and the people actually do stand a chance of actually earning this particular cash prize giveaway, which is about $4,500. So all you need to do right now is to copy the link to this, and you want to create a landing page. Once you create a landing page with platforms like Systemy.io, Breezy Cloud, or any other landing page builder site of your choice, and you just want to make sure that you are actually utilizing a landing page, because landing page actually helps us actually get better conversions to our CPA marketing offers. Now if you're actually finding it difficult creating a landing page, all you actually need to do is to head on to my channel OJ Marketing, click on the search icon, and just simply go on to type in a landing page. Once you successfully type in landing page and click on enter, it's actually going to go on to showing you some cool videos I created that teaches you how to create simple landing pages with various platforms right now. So learn how to actually create a landing page right there and utilize that to promote your offer. Now once you've created a landing page, the next step which you want to do is to get an ebook right now or a PLR on any niche of your choice. Now you can actually focus on the idplr.com platform or the freeplrdownloads.com. These are all cool platforms to get free PLRs, of which you can actually go into utilizing for any purpose of your choice. Now you can see right now for the freeplrdownloads.com, there are a lot of PLRs right here, or a lot of niches you can focus on. And right now for today's video, I would actually like to focus on the weight loss niche. So if I actually come onto this search section right there, I'm just going to go into searching for weight loss and click on search. I'll be able to see a lot of weight loss related images or PLRs right now. And if I just select this one right here, as you can see, that will actually be selected right now, and I can just simply come onto this section right here, the bottom section, click on download, and the PLR will actually get downloaded on my device. As you can see right now, that has actually been downloaded on my device right here. So once the PLR has been downloaded, the next step which you want to do is to actually go on to exporting that PLR or unzipping the PLR. So guys, once that has successfully been unzipped, you then want to head onto this platform called the searchdat.com. And this is a very cool platform that you can utilize to go on to editing PDFs right now. Now you could just simply click on edit PDF document, because it's absolutely free to do that. Click on upload file, and you want to just simply navigate through your device to go on to uploading that particular PDF right now, which is a weight loss and you. And this is actually the PDF right here, weight loss and you. I'm just going to open that, and the PDF will actually be uploaded in this section. As you can see, it's actually having the same thumbnail right now, and you can just simply keep on scrolling through. Now what you actually want to do right now to get traffic to your CPA marketing offer is that at the end of each page, you want to just simply go into drafting in a very cool text right now. Now I can actually put in something like a text right here. I'm just going to click on this section and type in something like click here to win $4,500 today. So what I'm going to do right now is to just simply click on this section. If I do, I'll actually go into highlighting this. I'm just going to click on the chain icon, and you want to just simply add that particular link to your landing page right here in this section. As you can see, this is an example right now. What I'm going to do is to paste in the link to that CPA offer or the link to the landing page. Once that has actually been done, for any person that actually do clicks on this, it's automatically going to take them to that particular landing page right there, or that particular CPA marketing offer. As you can see right now, is actually linked to this right here. As you can see, that how cool this actually looks like. So the next thing which you want to do is just simply to head on to the next page, and you want to do something quite similar to that. So maybe I'm just going to come right here and I'm just going to go into highlighting this text, or you can actually do highlight the text, come onto this section right here and add that at the footer of every page right now. Once you actually do add that, click on apply changes. Your changes will be applied to that particular PDF, and once your changes has been applied, as you can see right now, this has actually going to go on to looking like you can preview the settings or the changes right now. You can see that this is actually the changes that were made. If you take a look at this is what the text right now is actually looking like in that particular page. So once you actually do insert that for all 10 pages, all you can do next is to just simply click on download the ebook on your device. Then you want to just simply head on to social media platforms like Facebook and actually go on to searching for the weight loss right now. Now if you search for weight loss right here, you can actually just simply go onto any platform of your choice right now, or any group right here. As you can see, this is weight loss for beginner. You can just simply come right here and tell them that you want to just simply write a post right here saying, are you interested in getting a free ebook that helped me a lot during my weight loss journey? If you're interested, comment yes in the comment section. Now, for as many people that are actually going to comment, you just need to go into sending them a link to download that ebook which you actually edited. And to actually do that, guys, you just need to head on to platforms like mediafire.com and go on to uploading the already edited ebook. Click on upload, click on this plus icon, select the ebook from your device and upload that on this section. Now you can actually do see that this is the ebook right here, which is the weight loss and you. I can actually just simply click on this link icon to copy the link, or click on this three dots right now, and it's just gonna go on to showing you a drop down list. Copy the link right now and actually do head back to Facebook and share that with as many people that actually go on to commenting yes in the comments of that particular post that you actually did post. Now you can actually do that right here and go on to as many other groups right now on Facebook and actually go on to doing this simple strategy. Now you want to be consistent with this and you want to focus on various niches right now. If you do that, you'll be making a lot of money online with CPA marketing, because as people are actually reading through that article, they are just simply going to see that section directing them to actually go on to standing a chance to win some offers or that cash prize, and they will be interested in doing that. Complete the offer, you gain access to some cool and amazing commission, and they actually stand the chance of winning that gift prize. So that's actually quite cool. So do this right here today and make a lot of money online. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching, guys, and goodbye.